Okay, so today we're going to start multiplying fractions, okay? Multiplying fractions is totally different than adding and subtracting, okay? So I need you to put what you know about multiplying fractions and set it aside, okay? And learn how to do this totally different, okay? Now, the steps are listed on the first page. You need to first simplify the fraction in its lowest terms. And we're gonna do it top to bottom, but this time we can also do it across, okay? And what I mean across is kind of like this one over here, where they got the 28 and the 4. Do you see it? Yeah. And the 4, divided by 4 is 1. 28 divided by 4 is 7. Okay? So we're going to simplify across, and then what we're going to do once we have everything in the simplified terms, we multiply, okay? And we're going to multiply, so you had 15 times 1 equals 3, and then 7 times 1 is 7, so the answer is 3 sevens, okay? Now, if for some reason after you multiply the numerator, and you multiply just across, and the denominator, and you multiply just across, if you need to, you can simplify at the end, okay? I know it sounds confusing, so let's work on a few examples.
So there's the answer?
Yes. Go back for a second, okay? And let's go ahead and look at simplify, okay? Now, what I want you to do, and I'm going to write it on the board for you to remember, okay? And this is how I remember myself. You can simplify top to bottom, and you can simplify across top to bottom, and across the other way, okay? Does that make sense? Now, you cannot simplify like that. No, this is not going to work, okay? It's not going to happen, okay? You cannot simplify top to top or bottom to bottom, okay? It always has to be, remember, what you do on the top, you do on the bottom. The difference is when you multiply across. So when we multiply across, it means we can also simplify across, okay? Does that make a little bit of sense? Mm-hmm. Let's do a couple of more now, okay? So these are just from the first page. Let me go ahead and zoom in. Okay, and let me find one that will work. Okay, do you see number 10 over there? Okay, so step number 1 says, can you simplify, okay? So we're doing this one over here, okay? Now, if you look at the 2/3 and 7/10, can you simplify them in some way?
Yeah. No.
Not going up and bottom, right? Like we used to simplify top to bottom, right? But now we can do across, okay? And when I say across, you can do across top, as in this 2 over here. Do you see that? And across bottom, as in this 10 over there. Okay? Now, what can you do to that 2 and the 10 to make it smaller?
2 times 2 equals 2 divided by 2.
2 divided by 2, right? Okay, good. So we go over here and we rewrite the problem. 2 divided by 2 is what?
1.
1. Over?
3.
Over 3. It's a 3, actually. I know it's a little bit hard to read sometimes. Times 7 over 5, right? Okay, now, can we simplify anything else? No, right? So what we're going to be doing right now, we multiply across, okay? And the way we multiply across, we're going to do the bottom, and we're going to do the top, okay? So what's 3 times 5? 15. And what's 7 times 1? 7, okay? Now that we did the example, let's go back to page 1 and go over simplifying, okay? Hold on one. The answer is 7 over 15 right there, okay? Because we cannot simplify, right? Okay, now, okay, before you have it, okay? Now, let's see what we have here. These are all too easy. I may have to just come up with a harder one. Okay. Oh, here you go. Okay, number 10 here. Do you see it? 6 over 10 times 3 over 4. Okay? Okay, so we're going to go ahead and be working on that one, okay? Now, can we simplify across somehow?
Yes.
And
Wait,
can we do it across? Can we do it top to bottom?
Top to bottom.
We can do it both ways, right? So what I'm trying to get you to think about it over here, it doesn't matter how you do it, what matters is to simplify, okay? So let's do it top to bottom, like we know it. What do you do over here?
2.
2? And what on the bottom?
2.
2? So how do we rewrite this problem?
3 over 5.
3 over 5 times
4. 3 over 4.
3 over 4, right? Can we simplify the 3's?
No.
No, right? Because they're across. The reason we're not making the 3 smaller is because they're across, okay? I mean, they're on the same level, sorry. Top to top, okay? They're not diagonal, okay? A diagonal line is one that's just like that, okay? And that's what you're looking for, okay? You can also do it the other way around like that, okay? But you can never do it just, one side and just the other, okay? Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and multiply across. What's 3 times 3? Cha, join us.
1.
I'm sorry, 3 times 3.
Oh,
That's 9.
9, right? And what's 5 times 4?
15. Wait, 20.
20, right? Okay. So, let's go ahead and work a few problems. Cha just joined us. Just go ahead and look and watch and see if you get in. At the end, I'll fill you in on what you missed, okay? Okay, so. I'll tell you what, let's go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and just come up with a problem out of my head, okay? Times 5 over 10 times 6 over 15, okay? So, when you multiply, you can simplify not just top to bottom, but also diagonal, okay? And you can simplify diagonal this way, you can simplify diagonal that way, and of course you can go simplify top to bottom, right?
Yep.
So, tell me what you think you can simplify here.
10 and 6.
Okay, let's do 10 and 6. What are you thinking about, Abshiro?
2.
2, okay. Okay, so 2 goes into 10 how many times?
2 over
Oh,
5.
5, okay. Times, and 6 goes into 2 how many times?
3.
Over. What's in the bottom, guys?
15.
15 stays the same, right? Okay. Let's move it over here so we can see it better. Oh, come on. Okay, so you have 5 over 5 times 3 over 15. Can we simplify again?
Yeah.
What can we simplify?
3.
3? And what?
3.
3.
3 divided by 3?
Yeah.
And where else can we divide by 3?
The top
15.
and
The bottom?
the bottom.
Okay. 50. Okay, good. Okay, so we have
1 over 5.
hold on. Sorry, I'm just trying to move it so it's easier for us to see. So we have 5 over 5 times 1 over
5.
5, right? What else can we do, guys?
Nothing.
I'm sorry? Don't tell me nothing. Look at the numbers. 5 and 5, right? Okay. We can divide 5 over here and divide by 5, okay? Okay, I think I may have reached the end, so I'm going to write them down here. So 5 over 5 is what?
1.
1 over
1.
times
1 over 5.
1 over 5, okay? And when we multiply, remember, we just multiply across top and bottom. So what's the answer? 1 times 1 is what?
1 over 5.
1 over 5, right? Okay? I know you cannot see it on the board, but it's here, you know where I wrote it, okay? Now, 1 over 5, can we simplify it?
No.
No, right? Okay. The only thing I can think of, to keep an eye on over here, remember, if the number is bigger on the top than the bottom, we have to, convert it to a mixed number, okay? For example, okay, if you came an answer, okay, and it's not on your steps, okay? If you came up with an answer like 5 over 2, okay? Remember that we have to divide, right? How many times does 2 go into 5?
2.
2, right? So what's the answer? 2 and what?
2. 1.
1 over what?
5.
5.
I mean
2. Okay, good. So remember that, okay? Because that's not a step, but that's part of the simplification process. It has to be in proper form, okay? Are you girls okay?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go ahead and I'm gonna stop this. You can practice it, and I'm gonna